An amiable welcome to everyone. This is Oralai Degdam channel to enhance your understanding. Today's topic is about the types of anesthesia. So, what is anesthesia? Anesthesia is defined as the temporary loss of sensation or consciousness. Types of anesthesia. Anesthesia is classified into three main types. They are general anesthesia, local anesthesia, and regional anesthesia. Regional anesthesia is again subdivided as spinal anesthesia, epidural anesthesia, and peripheral nerve block. So let's first see about general anesthesia. General anesthesia refers to inhibition of sensory, motor, and sympathetic nerve transmission at the level of brain, resulting in unconsciousness and lack of sensation. General anesthesia is generally administered by an anesthesiologist in order to induce or maintain general anesthesia to facilitate surgery. Procedures done under general anesthesia. Major surgeries such as knee and hip replacement surgeries, heart surgeries such as CABG are done under general anesthesia. Many types of surgical procedures to treat cancer are also done under general anesthesia. Classification of general anesthesia. The inhalational agents are sevoflurane, halothane, isoflurane, nitrous oxide, and enflurane. A word shine, 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 is used as a mnemonic here. S for sevoflurane, H for halothane, I for isoflurane, N for nitrous oxide, and E for enflurane. Intravenous agents are propofol, ketamine, barbiturates, benzodiazepines, and etomidate. Route of administration. Enteral route. Enteral route is the route through which food and drugs are administered via the gastrointestinal tract. Enteral route include oral and rectal route. Parenteral route. Parenteral route is the route through which the drug is administered to the central and peripheral vein. Parenteral route include sublingual, intranasal, intramuscular, and intravenous route. Complications of general anesthesia. An acronym for anesthesia has been made. A. Aspiration of gastric contents. N. Nausea and vomiting. E. Emergence delirium. S. Salivation secretions. T. Tachycardia, transient fall in BP. H. Hypercarbia. E. Excitatory movements. S. Sedation. I. Induction. A. Atelectasis, asphyxia. Atelectasis, complete or partial collapse of lungs or a section of lung. Asphyxia, deficient supply of oxygen to the body that arises from abnormal breathing. Now we are going to discuss about local anesthesia. The first local anesthetic is cocaine, developed by Karl Kohler. Local anesthetic is defined as a transient reversible loss of sensation. Local anesthetics are drugs that block nerve conduction when applied locally to nerve tissue in appropriate concentration. It affects a small specific area by injection, topical application, or spray. Classification of local anesthetic drugs based on chemical structure, amino esters. Procaine. Procaine is the first synthetic local anesthetic introduced in 1905. Acts for 24 hours due to slow absorption. Chloroprocaine. Cocaine. Cocaine is a good surface anesthetic and is rapidly absorbed. Benzocaine. Aminoamides. Lignocaine, mepivacaine, prilocaine, and bupivacaine. Bupivacaine is a good analgesia for obstetrics. Based on the duration of action, it is classified as short acting, intermediate acting, and long acting. Short acting. Chloroprocaine. Chloroprocaine is one of the shortest acting drug. Procaine. Intermediate acting. Lignocaine, prilocaine, cocaine, and mepivacaine. Long acting. Bupivacaine and ropivacaine. Ropivacaine is the most used local anesthetic as a continuous epidural administration in post-operative pain relief in labor. Mechanism of action of local anesthetics. So, the aim in administering the local anesthetic is to prevent the nerve impulse transmission by blocking the voltage-gated sodium channel and to achieve loss of sensation in the desired site. So, when a local anesthetic, let it be lignocaine, is administered, it binds to the voltage-gated sodium channel and blocks the sodium entry into the channel and raises the threshold for excitation, having no generation and conduction of ATP, creating a local anesthetic effect. Duration of action of local anesthetics 1 to 1.5 hours of action. Action lasts for up to 2 hours with adrenaline. Adrenaline, being a vasoconstrictor, constricts the blood vessel, thereby sustaining the drug at the site of administration, resulting in the prolongation of duration of action. Availability of xylocaine. Xylocaine is available in different forms for administration. 5% xylocaine heavy for spinal analgesia, 2% xylocaine plain for local infiltration and nerve blocks, 2% xylocaine with adrenaline for local infiltration, 2% xylocaine without preservatives to treat cardiac arrhythmias, that is irregular heartbeat, 4% xylocaine solution for spraying the mucous membrane. Pink color is added to differentiate from other injectable forms. 4% xylocaine viscous, 10% xylocaine spray for use on mucous membrane of mouth, esophagus and stomach, 5% xylocaine ointment with paraffin base for use in mucocutaneous junction and in anal orifice, 2% xylocaine jelly used on endotracheal tube or on urethra for dilation. Now we are going to discuss about regional anesthesia. Regional anesthesia numbs a part of the body without inducing unconsciousness. Regional anesthesia renders a larger area of the body insensate by blocking transmission of nerve impulses between a part of the body and spinal cord. Types of regional anesthesia include spinal anesthesia, epidural anesthesia, and peripheral nerve block. Other names of spinal anesthesia are spinal analgesia, subarachnoid block, subarachnoid central neural block. So, here is the anatomy of vertebrae. The vertebral column consists of 33 vertebrae, 7 cervical, 12 thoracic, 5 lumbar, 5 fused sacral, and 4 fused coccygeal. The structures encountered during spinal anesthesia are skin, subcutaneous tissue, supraspinous ligament, interspinous ligament, ligamentum flavum, dura mater, and arachnoid mater. These are the structures encountered during spinal anesthesia. Position for giving spinal anesthesia. Right lateral position with a good flexion of spine and spinal position. For adults, spinal cord ends at L1 and for children, spinal cord ends at L3. So, the most commonly encountered landmark will be at the level of L4. Things needed for spinal anesthesia: 20 gauge or 21 gauge spinal needle, syringe, xylocaine heavy spinal ampule, IV needle to load drug. Procedures under spinal anesthesia: surgeries of lower limb, perineum, pelvis, abdomen, etc. Mechanism of action: the local anesthetic solution is injected into the subarachnoid space, which blocks the conduction of impulses along all nerves. Complications of spinal anesthesia: some cardiovascular complications include hypotension, bradycardia, cardiac arrest, arrhythmias. Some central venous system complications include post-dural puncture headache, PONV, post-operative nausea and vomiting, lightheadedness, mental confusion and disorientation. Other complications include urinary retention, epidural hematoma, and bleeding. Epidural anesthesia. This blocks pain in a particular region of the body. Epidural administration is a medical route of administration in which a drug or a constant agent is injected into the epidural space of the spinal cord. The goal of epidural anesthesia is to provide prolonged analgesia without sedation. Types of surgery. It can be performed at any level of spine: cervical epidural, thoracic epidural, lumbar epidural, and caudal epidural. Choice of agents: local anesthetic, lidocaine, mepivacaine, bupivacaine, ropivacaine, and chloroprocaine. Opioids: hydromorphone, morphine, fentanyl, sulfentanyl, and pethidine. Bolus or infusion. Positioning of epidural anesthesia administration. At sitting position, cervical epidural at the level of C7, lateral decubitus full flexion position, thoracic epidural at the level of T7, and lumbar epidural. The lateral decubitus position is shown here. Location: needle between the bones, which passes through the ligaments and then into epidural potential space. The distance from the skin to epidural space is about 4.5 cm. The Tohei needle used for epidural anesthesia is shown here. Peripheral nerve block. Peripheral nerve blocks are a type of regional anesthesia. The anesthetic is injected near a specific nerve or bundle of nerve to block sensations of pain from a specific area of the body. Nerve block usually lasts longer than local anesthesia. Thank you.